Dude, I'm recording. Fuck, it gets scarier every time because I hear noises.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
We're lost out here. Me, Josh,
We've been lost out for 3 days.
and Eli.
As you can see, this guy looks like a fucking hobo that's on crack.
Fuck, man. I need more weed. We don't know where to go. Been lost. Let's try to find
Oh, shit, somebody bit me. Oh, God. Oh, shit. Dude, I think I broke my leg.
Let's try to find our way.
Come on. We're lost in the woods. I'm like hopping on one leg. Oh, God. You guys go first. What the fuck? It's civilization. Here, go. You go first.
Where did Eli go?
Go. Oh, shit. Okay, he's going. Hey, let's run through here. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.